Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Before going to the video, those who are not subscribed our channel, subscribe it and also click the bell button. In this video, we are going to see about PIN diode. PIN diode is an advancement of normal PN junction diode. This diode has three layers in which the middle layer is an undoped or lightly doped semiconductor layer, and this layer is sandwiched between heavily doped P and N regions. PIN diodes have faster response time and hence they are widely used in microwave applications. These diodes have high resistance because of the intrinsic region and low capacitance and also very low reverse recovery time. Reverse recovery time is the time required to sweep the stored charge from a diode junction. PIN diodes have high breakdown voltage due to the presence of this intrinsic layer. The intrinsic region enhances the area for storage of carriers. The stored charge in the depletion region is responsible for the amount of current flowing through the circuit. PIN diode is a current control device, whereas a varactor diode is a voltage control device. Next, let us see the construction of PIN diode. PIN diode can be constructed in two different structures, mesostructure and planar structure. In mesostructure, the layers which are already doped are gone on the substrate, that is the intrinsic layer. The amount of doping and the thickness of the layer can be controlled as per the requirement. In a planar structure, an epitaxial layer is grown onto the substrate material and the P plus region is created either by ion implantation or diffusion. The structure of PIN diode consists of three regions, namely intrinsic region, P region and N region. The intrinsic region is a layer of undoped or lightly doped semiconductor and it serves as the depletion region between the P and N regions. The P region is formed by adding trivalent impurity to the pure semiconductor, and the N region is formed by adding pentavalent impurity to the pure semiconductor. These regions are heavily doped. Mostly the PIN diodes are made of silicon, but in some applications gallium arsenide PIN diodes are also used. The intrinsic region of PIN diode offers very high resistivity of the order of 0.1 ohm meter. Now let us see the working of PIN diode. PIN diode acts as an ordinary diode at frequencies up to 100 MHz. Above this frequency, it ceases acting as a rectifier because of the storage of carriers and the transit time across the intrinsic region. At radio frequency and microwave frequencies, this PIN diode acts as a variable resistance, and in the reverse bias, it acts as a capacitor. First, let us see how the PIN diode works under no bias condition. When no supply voltage is given to the diode, the carriers diffuse across the junction because of the concentration gradient. Because of the diffusion of carriers, depletion region is formed at the Pi and Ni junctions. The thickness of the depletion region is greater on the I region, that is the intrinsic region, because it is lightly or undoped when compared to the N and P regions which are heavily doped. So because of this, the intrinsic region offers very high resistance. Next, forward bias condition. When the PIN diode is forward biased, that is the positive terminal is connected to anode and the negative terminal is connected to cathode, the holes and electrons are injected into the I region because of reduction of depletion layer width. Since the depletion layer width reduces because of the applied voltage, the resistance offered by the device under no bias condition also starts decreasing. If we further increase the applied voltage, more number of charge carriers are injected into the intrinsic region. So this further decreases the depletion layer width and a large current flows through the device, resulting in the decrease of resistance. Hence, in a forward bias condition, the PIN diode behaves as a variable resistance device. When the PIN diode is reverse biased, that is, the positive terminal is connected to cathode and negative terminal is connected to anode, the depletion layer width increases further. As we increase the reverse voltage, the depletion layer width also increases and the whole mobile carriers are swept away from the intrinsic region. This particular reverse voltage at which the mobile carriers are swept away is known as swept out voltage, and usually its value is minus 2 volt. In the reverse bias condition, the PIN diode behaves as a capacitor. The P and N regions serve as the two parallel plates of the capacitor. Next, let us see the applications of PIN diode. Because of the presence of intrinsic region, the PIN diode acts as a poor rectifier, and this intrinsic region makes it suitable for the applications like radio frequency switches, attenuators, photodetectors and phase shifters. Next, let us see the previous year's question. First question, PIN diode cannot be used as. This question was asked in December 2014. First, microwave switch. Second, microwave mixer. Third, microwave detector. We know that PIN diode cannot be used as a microwave mixer and microwave detector. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next question. This question was also asked in December 2014. Which diode is not used as a microwave mixer or detector? First, Schottky diode. B, PIN diode. C, crystal diode. D, backward diode. Here we know that PIN diode cannot be used as a microwave mixer or detector. Hence option B is the correct answer. Next question. This question was also asked in December 2014. It is match the following type. First, they have given the devices, and the second column they have given the application of the device. First, diode. We know that diode can be used as a rectifier. So rectification is the correct one. Next, tunnel diode. Tunnel diode is used as an oscillator. Next, Zener diode. Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator. Next, PIN diode. We know that PIN diode can be used as a microwave switch. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next question. This question was asked in December 2018. It is match the following type. First, Foster-Seeley discriminator. We know that this detector is used as frequency modulation detector. Next, envelope detector is used as an amplitude modulation detector. Next, APD, that is avalanche photodiode detector. This diode is used in optical fiber communication. Next, PIN diode. This diode is used in microwave applications. So here option C is the correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.